It's time for us to get into FPL Clinic, and FPL Clinic today, I'll bring you news with players that you should actually sell if you have them in your team. Cole Palmer is number one that you should sell if you have him in your team because he's going to be out till after the international break, and he's going to miss a lot of games. He's going to be missing games, including Chelsea versus Liverpool. So keep Cole Palmer out of your team. Other players that you should sell is Florian Wirtz because he's flattered to deceive so far, and also Oli Watkins. He even missed a penalty when they played in Europe, and Mohamed Salah. He gets the numbers here and there, but not getting them like he should be, and he has been over the couple of weekends. If you already do not have the gentleman that is Haaland, please bring him into your team. Reijnders is also a good buy for this weekend, and certainly Mohamed Kudus is one big buy for the weekend. And players that you should monitor their progress till at least after the international break and bring them in is the man Donnarumma. However, for Isak, I think you should quicken up the monitoring because he's actually a good replacement for those who have Ekitike in their team. You can quickly switch and bring in Isak for Ekitike, but he's one to watch. And Mose Caicedo, let's watch what he does this weekend and see if he adds up some goal scoring numbers to his play like he has been doing in recent times. And also one player that you can actually also bring in with replacement for Ekitike is Joao Pedro, and Isak is one, Joao Pedro is one, and also Richarlison is another. One big thing that's happening is a conversation between who to pick with regards to Arsenal team, whether you want to go with Saka or Gyökeres. I would definitely say Saka is still on a little bit of an injury watch, so he might play, but Gyökeres is that out and out person to look out for. He has so far been getting goals but not getting them like Haaland does. If you're looking to triple captain, play one of your chips this weekend, if you're going to captain Haaland, you can triple captain Haaland because he's playing Burnley, or you can just captain Haaland because he might just give you the needed numbers. Grealish is another player to watch. Let's watch what Grealish does this weekend, and after this weekend we'll bring Grealish in because of the assist numbers he's providing out in his new team. It's going to be fantastic. Some players are out, so others are on the fringe of being out. You can get all this information and more on our X handle, that is at mx24sports_.